And today I'm outside of my complex. And I'm just walking around with my dog. That's my sister. So today we're just going to be walking around talking about some stuff. And this might not be exciting for you guys.
Yeah, my sister's recording and she posts.
I don't know about you guys. But this might not be exciting to you guys. But it is exciting to me.
I think my video got too loud.
So,
I think it got boring.
So for Christmas, I'm going to be getting a vlogging camera and a vlogging stick.
A tripod is what it's called, Jordan.
Still stuck in a vlogging stick. And guess what? I'm going to start another channel. It's still going to be with Jordan McLean, but it's going to be Jordan's vlogging channel. So, it's still going to be linked with my YouTube account now, but I'm going to have to set up my phone to my vlogging camera so it can be recording at the same time. You get what I mean? So I can vlog too and record at the same time and be with you guys and stuff like that. So yeah. So I'm gonna be getting a vlogging camera and a vlogging stick so I can vlog. And I'm getting it this Christmas this year. So, and I'm gonna make a video on Christmas Eve or probably Christmas Eve. I am going to be doing a giveaway on Christmas Eve. And if you guys, and this is how it works. So if you guys subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, hit the notification bell, and comment down below what you want for Christmas, what you would like for Christmas from your parents or whoever, I will give you the giveaway that you want. So my giveaways, I have 2 giveaways that I'm giving out, but there's multiple. Like if I say one was Gatorade, I have about 3 packs of Gatorade for multiple people. So,
oh no, my beef broke.
So yeah. So I'll be giving away 2 giveaways. So, and I'm gonna tell it again. If you want to enter and get one of these giveaways, you have to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Hit the notification bell. Comment down below what you would like from Christmas from your family or whatever. No, she doesn't.
Huh?
No, she doesn't.
She's chasing you.
She's not. Put that down. You know what that's been. Then, so yeah. So I'll be vlogging soon. And I'll be doing this. Don't worry, guys. I'm not going to stop doing this and be doing this. I'm just going to be vlogging a little bit, probably a little bit more than what I'm doing now. Because I want to go on trips with you guys and show you the experiments before you go there. And if I do slime kits or pottery wheels or something, I give you the experience for myself. Basically, I'm your test dummy to test everything out before you try and do it on your own. So yeah.
She does test and she's a dummy.
So yeah. But yeah, guys, I'm giving 2 giveaways out. So make sure you go do those things to get one of the giveaways. I'm going to tell you the giveaways now because you're probably wondering, what are the giveaways? The giveaways.
Sorry, Lucky.
The first giveaway is, if y'all can guess, I'll give you 5 seconds. Oh, I forgot that rag was there. 5, 4,
Hot, it's cold.
3, 2, 1. Have you guessed yet? The first giveaway will be a Christmas teddy bear. The second giveaway, I'm going to give you 5 seconds for this one too. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Did you decide the second giveaway? The second giveaway is a pack of candy canes. And guys, I know some of y'all don't like candy canes. If you don't want the candy canes, I'll give you another pack of candy canes. But guess what, guys? You get to pick what kinds you want. So if you win, if you win the candy, if you're gonna comment down below at the same time when you say you did all of this stuff like that, you're going to basically what you're going to do is you're going to tell me which kind of favorite candy canes do you want, and I'll get them for you, and I'll send them to you and stuff like that. So yeah, so make sure to go do these things. Should go get the giveaway. If you don't do the things, you won't get the giveaway. Just to make that clear, because some people try to lie to me and say that they did all those things, and they clearly didn't, because I check my channel every day and make new videos for you guys. So to do these things, you have to do these things in order to, get these giveaways. But you can't lie to me and say that you did all these things, but you didn't. I check my viewers and my subscribers every day, so I know who subscribed to my channel and who didn't. But if you guys don't do these things, you won't get the giveaway. And guess what, guys? I don't know if every other YouTuber has done this before, but I trust you guys. I trust you.
My foot just got stuck.
Yeah. So, still walking my dog over there. Yeah. So you guys have to do these things to get these giveaways. I love you guys with all my heart. So you guys have to do these things to get these giveaways. I don't just give them out for free. You have to earn them. And to do these things, you have to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Hit the notification bell to get notified of all the new videos that I post. And then you gotta comment down below what you want for Christmas. Is that so hard? And then you get the giveaway? Is that hard? But some of you guys don't want to do it because you're lazy. You don't want to do it because you like to think that the world revolves around you and no other kids are in the world that basically don't have things that we have today. And you're making it seem like they can't have anything. So you just got to be mindful of your greetings and your people in older days. Because some people, it's called homeless, guys. Called homeless. You got to be respectful for your elders.
Enough to know what that is.
So you got to know this stuff. Okay, so back to the video. So yeah. I'm gonna be getting a vlogging camera, and I'm so excited to start vlogging. I've been wanting to do this for a couple of years,
My foot is numb.
and I never got to do it because I never got a vlogging camera. Probably because I was a little young back then
Get a vlogging camera and a
stuff.
GoPro.
And stuff. I'm 11 now, and I try to post every day and stuff. So also, I love you guys, and make sure to share this video. Give it a big thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Hit that notification bell. Get notified of all the new videos that I make. Comment down below what you want for Christmas from your family members and stuff to win this giveaway. And hope you like it. Bye.